So guys, now in this video, I am going to show you what is a breadcrumb and how important it is, especially if you are creating an e-commerce website. And that is why if you go to your home page and click on a single product page like this one here now, you can see that you go from the home to products and also directly to this single product page. And that is what is called breadcrumbs, because you navigated from the home, you breadcrumb to the product, and also breadcrumb to the single product page. So now, like I mentioned shortly, that it is very, very important, especially if you are creating an e-commerce website. So now for that, I am going to add the breadcrumb here on our single product page. And to do that, I will assume you have logged on to your WordPress dashboard. And if you have done so, just as usual, you will see this black line toolbar up here. Hover your mouse on Edit with Elementor and click on Single Page Templates. So now here on our single product page in Elementor Editor. So what I'm going to do is that I'll come up here and search here in the search widget inputs. I will search for breadcrumbs. This is the one we are going to use, the Yoast SEO breadcrumbs. Just click on it and drag it and place it, for example, here under the title of the product, or you place it anywhere on your single product page. Like you can remove it from here and place it here under the image or anywhere above the description here. So as you have added it here, don't worry that it says home. It's because you are in your templates. Now come down here and click on update and go up to your website and open up a single product page of any product on your website like this one. Just refresh it. Now if you look here, you will see the breadcrumbs as it says from home to shop to handmade ladies dresses, which is the name of this particular product. And if it's a blog post, that is how it's going to link it also to the name of that particular article of that blog post. And this is very, very important, like I mentioned before, for search engines optimization. So now don't forget that this is a must, especially on an e-commerce website, and you should be adding it also in order of your archive page templates, or even if it's a blog website. Okay, so and with that, once you have finished doing this, then this is now time for us to submit our website to Google Search Console, as in submitting our website to search engines, because our website is perfectly ready to be indexed by Google and other search engines. So in the next video, we are going to take a look at how to submit our website to search engines like Google. And that brings us to the end of this video today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos.